Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is lesson 19, and in this lesson we learn the numbers 3 to 10 with a masculine noun following them. The word for one is wahidun, and it follows the noun as an adjective. For example, kitabun wahidun. So, kitabun wahidun, if for example somebody asks you, kam kitaban indak, li indi kitabun wahidun. I have one book. The word for two is ithnan, and this also follows the noun as an adjective. For example, two books. Kitabani ithnani. Usually the word ithnani is omitted because the dual form, so just kitabani, is sufficient to denote two. But you can put ithnani for emphasis. As it says here, ithnani is used for emphasis. Numbers 3 to 10. These numbers are used as mudaf. For example, ثلاثة كتب. ثلاثة كتب. Now, the thing about 3 to 9 or 3 to 10 is that whenever you have a masculine object, like all of these things are masculine, okay? So what you're going to do is that you will bring the number as feminine. So in this case, ثلاثة كتب. And the other thing is that it's regarded as a mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So therefore, كتب is mudaf ilayh. أربعة بيوت, four houses. خمسة أقلام, five pens. عشرة رجال, and all of these things basically masculine, therefore the number that is going to come is going to be feminine. The noun that denotes the thing number is called ma'dud. So in this case, رجال, أقلام, بيوت, كتب, all of these are ma'dud, the thing that you are counting. Note that the ma'dud is plural. And why they are saying this? Because there are some instances where the noun, the ma'dud, comes singular. But in these numbers from 3 to 10, it comes plural. And it is in the genitive case because it is mudaf ilayh, meaning it takes a kasra because it's mudaf ilayh. The word denoting the number may be in any case, nominative, genitive, or accusative. And basically that depends on what kind of a situation the thing is in. For example, here خرج ثلاثة طلاب. ثلاثة, it has a dhamma here because it is the fa'il of خرج. The three students left. So because it's the fa'il of خرج ثلاثة, it has a dhamma. في أربعة بيوت, أربعة has a kasra here because it is after the fi harf jar, and بيوت has a kasra and طلاب has a kasra because it's مضاف إليه. رأيت خمسة رجال, I saw five men. So خمسة, it is mansub, it has a fatha because it's maful bihi, it's the object of the sentence. The action of seeing is being done upon those five men. And rijalin, it has kasra because it's mudaf ilayh. Note, in kam thamanu hada, what is the price of this? There is an omission. The word is riyalan, or any other word denoting monetary unit. For example, kam riyalan thamanu hada. Kam riyalan thamanu hada. Usually people just miss out riyalan or whatever the currency is in that country, and they just say the word kam thamanu hada. Vocabulary: kullun, all. Shukran, thanks. Kulluhum, all of them. Kullukum, all of you. Kulluna, all of us. Al-baladu, country. Mukhtalifun, different. Al-hafilatu, bus. Minhum, meaning from amongst them. Minhum. Urubba, Europe. Yugoslavia, self-explanatory. Shukran, thanks. Al-yawm, today. Ayyam is the plural. Al-thamanu, price. Al-nisfu, half. Al-qirshu, 1/10 of a riyal. Qudama, plural of qadim, old. Al-rakibu, the passenger traveling by bus or plane. Rukabun is the plural. Al-su'alu, question. Al-jaybu, pocket.